For effective weed prevention, aim for a consistent, product-appropriate fill depth that leaves room for sealants while fully filling the void. For typical concrete sidewalk and driveway cracks, use a two-part approach that separates bulk fill from surface treatment. When using backer rod plus a sealant, insert a foam backer rod so the sealant sits about 1/4 inch below the pavement surface. This prevents three-sided adhesion and allows the sealant to flex with movement. For crush and sweep or polymeric sand in expansion or larger joints, maintain about 1/8 inch of compacted sand depth below the top so the sand bonds and locks in place when activated with water. If the joint is deeper than 3/8 inch, pre-fill with a clean, compatible aggregate before placing polymeric sand. For loose crack fill products or pourable polymer formulations, follow the manufacturer's recommended pour depth, which commonly ranges from 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, and avoid overfilling, which traps moisture. Always clean the crack of vegetation and debris. Allow it to fully dry, and if moisture is likely, consider using a moisture-tolerant product or backer material to control depth. Tool the sealant flush to the pavement grade, but do not overwork it, and cure times should be respected to prevent premature failure. 3 common mistakes are overfilling cracks so the sealant cannot flex, using polymeric sand in cracks that are too shallow, and failing to prepare the joint before filling. Overfilling reduces the sealant ability to accommodate movement. Leave about 1/4 inch of headspace and use backer rod for deeper joints. Putting polymeric sand into very shallow surface cracks of less than 1/8 inch will not allow the sand to compact and bind. Reserve polymeric sand for joints with at least 1/8 inch depth and pre-fill deeper voids as needed. Skipping cleaning and drying leads to poor adhesion and trapped organic matter that soon grows back. Always remove roots, sweep, and, if needed, blow or pressure wash and let dry before filling. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners connect with local contractors who can assess crack conditions and apply the correct fill system for long-term weed prevention. We also help contractors find work and share best practices in our discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange tips and photos.